Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for university finals step by step. First, let's talk about strategic planning. Begin by creating a comprehensive study schedule at least 2 weeks before your exams. Break down large topics into smaller, manageable daily study blocks, perhaps focusing on 1 or 2 subjects per day. Prioritize subjects based on their difficulty and their weight in your final grade. This structured approach helps you cover all material without feeling overwhelmed, ensuring you allocate your time effectively for maximum impact. Next, let's dive into effective learning strategies. Don't just passively read, actively recall information by testing yourself without notes. Try explaining complex concepts aloud as if you're teaching someone else. This truly solidifies your understanding. Utilize tools like flashcards for key terms or practice problems for quantitative subjects. Engaging with the material in these ways helps move information from short-term to long-term memory, making it much easier to retrieve during your actual exam. Now, let's talk about leveraging all available resources. Make sure to attend any review sessions offered by your professors or teaching assistants. They often highlight key areas. Forming study groups with 2 or 3 peers can be incredibly beneficial for discussing concepts and quizzing each other. Don't hesitate to consult academic support services if you need extra help with specific subjects or study techniques. These resources are designed to support your success, so use them wisely. Finally, maintaining your well-being is crucial for peak performance. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep nightly. A well-rested mind performs better. Take short, regular breaks every 45 to 60 minutes to prevent burnout and maintain focus. On exam day, arrive early, well-rested, and with all necessary materials. A calm and prepared mind is your best asset for successfully tackling your university finals and achieving your academic goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.